Once upon a time, in a small village by the sea, there lived a boy named Hamza. He was different from the other children. While they spent their days playing, Hamza would sit by the shore, watching the waves and viewing big dreams. His eyes sparkled with hope, and his heart brimmed with the determination to achieve something extraordinary. In the village, there was an old broken down ship called the Sea Princess. The elders of the village often told stories about how it had once brought prosperity, but after a devastating storm, it was left to rot and became a symbol of misfortune. No one dared to go near it, but Hamza felt something special about the ship, as if it was calling out to him, eager to tell its story. One day, Hamza decided he would restore the ship and make it seaworthy again. He approached the villagers for help, but they laughed at him. You are just a child, Hamza. This is beyond your reach, they said. But Hamza refused to give up. He started saving his small earnings, learned boat repairing skills from old sailors, and began working tirelessly on the ship. One night, while Hamza was working on the ship, a mysterious old man appeared. His eyes gleamed with wisdom, and his voice carried a depth that commanded attention. Why, boy, why is this ship so important to you? He asked. Hamza replied, this is not just a ship, it's the vessel of my dreams. I want to fix it and sail across the sea to discover the places no one has ever seen. The old man smiled and said, if your dreams are true and your courage steadfast, I will help you. But remember, the journey ahead will not be easy. With the old man's guidance, Hamza began repairing the ship. The man not only taught him advanced techniques but also revealed many secrets about the ship, hidden compartments, and its magical past. Hamza worked for months, enduring setbacks and challenges, but his determination never wavered. Eventually, the Sea Princess was ready to sail once more. When the ship was complete, Hamza convinced a few brave villagers to join him on his journey together. They set sail into the unknown. During their voyage, a fierce storm struck. The villagers panicked, but Hamza stayed calm and focused, steering the ship with all his might. Amid the chaos, a hidden compartment in the ship opened, revealing an old weathered map. It was a treasure map leading to a place called the Golden Island. Following the map, Hamza and his crew faced numerous challenges: treacherous waters, strange sea creatures, and perilous cliffs. But with each challenge, Hamza's courage grew stronger. When they finally reached the Golden Island, they discovered it held more than just gold and jewels. At its heart was a magical tree whose roots produced water that could heal any illness and bring vitality to the weary. Hamza and his companions brought the treasure and magical roots back to the village. The gold lifted the villagers out of poverty, and the magical herbs cured many of their illness. The same villagers who once mocked Hamza now hailed him as a hero. Hamza addressed the villagers, saying, each of us has a sea princess in our lives, a dream that calls to us. But too often we let fear and doubt hold us back. If we have the courage to believe in our dreams and the determination to work for them, no obstacle can stop us. The sea princess became a symbol of hope and prosperity once again, and Hamza's story inspired everyone to chase their dreams with courage and faith. This tale teaches us that with belief in our dreams, hard work, and unwavering courage, anything is possible.